We know tablets aren't much lately, but Huawei is third in the market, and its MediaPad offerings for 2017 brought some of the best speakers we had ever heard for a tablet. Fast forward to 2018, and there is the MediaPad M5. 2 MediaPad M5s. I'm Jaime Rivera with Jules Wang on camera with Pocketnow reporting from MWC 2018, and let's go hands-on. Brought to you by Invisible Shield. Starting off with the smaller variant, we've got a strong metal unibody design and the typical approach to tablets that we're used to. We have an 8.4-inch tablet with an IPS LCD at 2K resolution, 82% screen-to-body ratio, and there's eye comfort options in addition to 2.5D glass in the design. Just like last year's variant, we have Harman Kardon speakers, now at the top and the bottom, both providing high-res audio, and that's one thing that these tablets get right, as that's really what these products are for, media consumption. The fingerprint scanner that doubles as a navigation button makes a comeback, and it does bring a more recessed design. We're talking 32 and 64 gigs of storage, expandable with 4 gigs of RAM, fast charging capabilities that get this tablet full in 1.9 hours, which I consider crazy. The larger MediaPad M5 Pro doesn't really look like the smaller variant. The buttons hint to a vertical tablet, but much of the UI hints to this being a landscape tablet. It sports a 10.8-inch IPS LCD at 2K and also includes the same eye comfort options in addition to 2.5D glass. The Harman Kardon speakers are actually built at the back. We'll have to see just how well these perform with their placement as we review the tablets. What makes this a Pro tablet is really the PC mode. Snap on a keyboard and you get a different user interface, much like the Huawei Mate 10 Pro can, though the keyboard is not really included in the box. There's also an M Pen with 4096 levels of sensitivity and even tilt capabilities, though we weren't able to prove this at our hands-on experience. 64 and 128 gigs of storage expandable are included in addition to 4 gigs of RAM, and the fast charging here is 2.9 hours. I consider that great as well. Oh, and by the way, there are also Wi-Fi and LTE variants for both. Let us know what you think about these new Huawei tablets and how you feel about tablets in general in the comments. And while you're at that, here is a word from our sponsor. Friends, our coverage of MWC 2018 in Barcelona continues. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Learn more about Invisible Shield in the link in the description. We thank them for making this coverage possible. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, or on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.